In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize multiple columns in Google Sheets. To start, open Google Sheets and go to the document you want to tidy up. Resizing columns is a simple way to make your data easier to read and present, and you can do it for several columns at once. First, select the columns you want to change. Look at the very top of your sheet where the column letters appear. Click the letter of the first column you need. Now, if you want a continuous block, hold the Shift key and click the letter of the last column in that block. Everything between those two letters will be selected together. If the columns you want aren't next to each other, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and click each column letter one by one to add them to your selection. You'll see the entire columns highlight, confirming they're selected. With your columns selected, move your cursor to the boundary line between any two column letters in the header, for example, the line between A and B. When you're in the right spot, the cursor changes to a horizontal double-sided arrow. Click and drag. Pull to the right to make the column wider, or to the left to make it narrower. As you drag, you'll see the width adjust immediately so you can stop when it looks right. If you selected multiple columns, drag the boundary next to each one you want to fine-tune until everything lines up the way you like. If you prefer an exact size, there's a precise alternative. Keep those columns selected, then right-click on one of the selected column letters and choose Resize Columns from the menu. A small box will appear where you can type the exact width you want. Enter the number and click OK to apply it. This sets a uniform width for all the columns you selected, which is especially helpful when you want a consistent layout. In Google Sheets, column widths are measured in pixels, so a larger number gives you a wider column. Take a moment to scan your sheet and confirm your content fits comfortably. If any labels still feel cramped, select those columns again and repeat the drag or the resize option until everything is clear and consistent. That's it. You've selected multiple columns and resized them by dragging or by entering an exact width, giving your spreadsheet a cleaner, more readable look.